Hello everyone. How are you all? I hope you all are fine and safe at your home. Welcome to Mahdi English School. This is the class of Standard 1. We are going to learn mathematics. Let's begin our day with a meaningful thought. The desire to succeed means nothing without the will to prepare. Will, wish, desire. The most important key to become successful in the life. If you want to achieve any of the goal, first of all, you have to make will or wish regarding the same. Then after, work hard to achieve your success. Now everyone get ready with your notebook, pencil, sit straight, make a back straight, as right now you all are sitting in a classroom. First of all, write today's date and day in the right corner. Write the heading. CHAPTR Chapter 12. MULTIPLICATION. Multiplication. READINESS, readiness. Chapter 12, multiplication, readiness. My dear students, from today onwards, we are going to start chapter number 12, the last chapter of our syllabus. Till now, we have completed almost 11 chapters as well, tables 1 to 10. After completing this chapter, the syllabus of Essay 2 will be completed. Mostly in each and every lecture, I told each and every one to memorize the table so that it can be helpful to you while you are doing sums of multiplication. Yes, in this chapter, you definitely need the help of tables. How? Let us see. See what you have seen. You can see the image of a ball or image of balls, as there are more than one ball. Observe it and tell me. How many balls are there? One, two, three, 4, 5, 6. In this image, we can see 6 balls. Now what you have to do? First of all, try to draw the balls. 6 balls in your notebook. Take the pen, pencil, book and draw 6 balls. Shape doesn't matter. If you are not able to draw the perfect shape, don't worry. Just draw 6 balls. Start. Draw first one. 1. Now draw the second one. Yes, you all are doing well. Continue. Third one. Then after 4. 5 and 6. Is everyone completed? Now see. If we want to divide these balls in groups, we can divide it in 2 groups. See how? First, draw the circle around these 3 balls. Everyone, draw the circle around these 3 balls. Now see what happens. What is your observation? These balls are divided in 2 groups. Everyone, write down 2 GROUPS, 2 groups. As you can see, there are 6 balls. We divide it in 2 groups. Now observe, in each group, how many balls are there? Everyone, write down 3 BALLS, balls. 3 balls in EACH, each. GROUP, group. 3 balls in each group. Let me explain one more time. Here we can see there are 6 balls. If we want to divide it in the group, we can divide it in 2 groups. After dividing the balls in the group, we can say that there are 3 balls in each group. So, everyone has completed? Now, see what is the role of tables. First, there are 3 balls in each groups. So write 3. Everyone write down 3. We have divided it in 2 groups. So multiply by 2. 3 multiply by 2. Total how many balls we have? 3 2s are 6. I hope you all are understanding. Now see. What is present there? Balloons. The colorful balloons. Now see. It is divided in 3 groups. So, first of all, everyone draw the balloons. See, in each group there is 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 balloons. So, first draw a bunch of 5 balloons. I am waiting. Draw bunch of 5 balloons. Here in this image you can see that there are 3 bunches. In each bunch there are 5 balloons. So draw the first bunch or first group. One, two. I'm waiting. As I told you before, that shapes doesn't matter. You can draw the shapes by your choice. The counting is the most important thing. Okay? Now after completing first group, start drawing second group. Here also you have to draw bunch of 5 balloons. I am waiting for some time so that everyone can complete. No matter how the shape is, just draw it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. After finishing second group, start drawing third group. Here also you have to draw 5 balloons. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I hope everyone has completed. Now write down 3 GROUPS groups. As you can see, there are 3 groups. Leave one line and then write EACH, each. GROUP, group, each group. HAS, has, 5 BALLOONS, balloons. Again, I am waiting for some time. Everyone, you can complete your writing work. Three groups. Each group has 5 balloons. If we want to represent this thing in a numerical form, how can we represent it? Write down 5. Why 5? As we have 5 balloons in each groups. So number of things we are having, write down first. 5. How many groups? 3. So multiply it by 3. As the thing is going to be repeated. In this chapter, we are going to learn the same thing. The things which is going to be repeated again and again. How can we count it? So here 5 balloons comes 3 times. That means we have to multiply it with 3. So 5 3 ja, we get 15. So 15 is the answer. We can represent this thing in a numerical form like this. 5 3s are 15. So is everyone completed? Done everyone? Good. Chapter number 12, Multiplication Readiness. What do you see when you look up at the sky? Tell me, my dear students, when you all are look at the sky, what you have seen? Clouds and birds, perhaps. Sometimes you can see a plane, aeroplane. Which is bigger, a plane or a bird? Why does a plane look so small when it is up in the sky? How big is the sky? Can you count the stars? Tell me. Now, everyone write the heading. IDENTIFY. Identify. THE, the. GROUPS, groups. IN, in. THE, the. PICTURE, picture. Identify the groups in the picture. WRITE, write. H-O-W, how. M-A-N-Y, many. Iron, in. E-A-C-H, each. G-R-O-U-P, group. Write how many in each group. Identify the groups in the picture. Write how many in each group. My dear students, just we have understand as well as completed the explanation part. We are going to make practice regarding the same. First of all, we have to find out the group and we have to write down number of things present in that group. Let us see how we can solve it. What you have seen, there is an image of clouds. Okay, now try to draw the clouds. How many clouds are there? 1, 2, 3 and 4. No matter how the shape is, just try to draw the shape of clouds. Here we cannot change the things. Why? Because we have to write the description regarding the same. Draw the first one, second one, third one and fourth. You all are doing well? Very nice. Now write down 4 C-L-O-U-D-S, clouds. 4 C-L-O-U-D-S, clouds. Done, everyone? First, you have to draw the clouds. How many clouds? 4. Then after, write down the description. 4 clouds. What you have seen there? Colorful sparrows. Try to draw it. How many sparrows we have to draw? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. Don't worry about the shape. Everyone is doing well? Good. Write down 6 SPARROWS. 6 sparrows. Six SPARROWS sparrows. 6 sparrows. Why we are doing this? As our exercise is identify and after that write down. So I hope you all are understanding well. In next lecture we will complete this exercise. Till then, watch the video again. Try to understand how can we solve the exercise of multiplication readiness, and yes, of course, for this chapter you need the help of tables. So try to learn tables 1 to 10. My dear students, at your home, make practice of each and every subject. Stay home, stay safe, stay happy, take care of yourself. We will meet in the next lecture. Till then, thank you very much and bye-bye everyone.